Hello everyone, I am MKullah and welcome to my channel Dr. K Tech Specialist. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and add any brush to Photoshop. Okay, then let's get started. Open any browser. I will go for Chrome. Search free dripping paint Photoshop brushes, or search anything free paint brushes Photoshop or whatever. Click on any site to download free brushes. There are so many sites that provides free brushes and much more tools for Photoshop. You guys can check them too. I will go for this called watercolor splatter and drip brushes. Click free download. As you can see, downloading is started and just downloaded it. Open this. Show in the folder. Extract this. This Adobe brushes file is the one which we gonna install. Just double click this and this will automatically install to your Photoshop. Now you can see, if you guys not found the panel right here, you guys can go to Windows and click brushes. It will open these brushes. Here's our in the marinade horse dot and splatter and drips that I just install it. Just click them and use them whatever you want. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, let me know in the comment section and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Dr. K. Thank you.